Beanie and Bounty, Buju and Ninja, Shango on his throne, Sizzler at his best. The stars of Sting 2002. But don't forget that other show stealer, Ranking Renito.
Look at
Big crowd this year at Jam World. Lots of Japanese and many massive. Who cared about budget deficits and crime waves? Not with a crisp new outfit to sport, and for dancehall delinquents, aerosol spray to ignite. Plus, this is Sting. You simply can't miss it. And if the performers disappoint, fling something. So sad about Mr. Lex. Looking good and sounding okay, except for recycling old tunes. So after getting the warning wave, one bottle was all it took, and Mr. Lex was gone.
Yeah, I'm loving this thing. Look, come on.
It was a good year for consciousness converts like Chuck Fender. I know, who would have thought? And bubbos with their flag wavers instead of dancing girls. The cowboy look was hot, especially on Assassin. If only he had slayed us with his lyrics. Lighters for Wayne, a kid with hits and a social conscience. Spice hitched a ride and tried to take her career to a higher level by taking on Elephant Man. Something about something he'd said about her lack of muscle tone. Bored with all this bringing back the love, the Sting crowd lapped it up. Round one to Spice. Elephant Man got a star reception and a few laughs.
Did you know Jamaican man of anaconda? You don't know what is anaconda? Chachot and so, chachot and. Chachot and, chachot. Chachot anaconda.
But his Spice response fell flat, and pretty much thereafter, so did he. While the energy god needed vitamins, Vybz Kartel could do no wrong. Red hot in all white, high-flying Kartel was entering Sting with such a buzz he could easily have crashed and burned. They loved him. Not so sure about that outfit though. Anthony B doesn't have a hit to speak of right now, but his bashing of the police and the government always goes down well at Sting, where everything gets burnt, including you-know-what. Enter Buju Banton and pandemonium erupts. Everybody loves Buju. More's the pity he faded fast. King Shango, born aloft by heaving bubbles, nailed the Entrance of the Night award. The king, or just Kelton when he was a mere mortal like the rest of us, jumped and spewed fire. Even more amazing was that outfit. Words failed. For all the excitement, the king just couldn't finish a song. Could have done Sting, but didn't. Unlike Sizzler, who was the best many fans can remember him being in years. black woman and child sizzler took over from the pump-up sizzler, and boy, he blazed. Nice turn on guitar, but there were audio problems. Beanie Man can still work a crowd, but the performance could do with some updating. Admiral Moses fired broadsides at Vibes Cartel and Bounty Killer, but was it my imagination or did they miss their targets? By the way, not one track from Tropical Storm. What's up with that? After Beanie, Ninja and that, dare I say, setup with the Glock handover? I mean really, Ranking Renita walks on, drops some gospel and gets the gun. A script written in heaven, or by Isaiah Lane.
Yo, Jack World. Yes, you gonna this man just baptized with stardust. So yo, back with down this early morning.
And in the end, it was all about the warlord. In Sting Country, Bounty Killer is king.
Who them select Batman eye? Who them Who them select the Queen eye? Bounty, so, if you hear me boss, hold in a missa, you don't see no hold in a me hand. Tell me shut up. Bury the weapon, don't take no more gun from no politician.
And being Bounty, he dissed Beanie back. 19 years. Hats off to Leng and Company for keeping an old horse going, even if it takes special appearances by controversial cops receiving illegal firearms from wanted DJs.
More Sting history after the break.